Let's see if Tommy figures out the jumping. Honey! Jump, jump! Use your feet, honey. He's looking a little stunned. Okay. Mom's got Caden on her lap. I'm going to see if I can get this going a little for him. It's just moving his head around. Same approach as Kay. Just move your head around and it will swing around. Not quite sure what to think of it, are you? Are you gonna jump? Use your feet, honey. He's too busy looking at his brother. Jumpy, jumpy. Drooly, drooly. Not quite getting this concept here. Honey, jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. He's not quite sure what to make of it. Okay, we'll try back in a minute.